When I say rescue Nigeria, you say Atiku. Atiku! Atiku! Rescue Nigeria! The national organizing secretary of our great party, a Democrat par excellence, retired military officer, former member of the House of Representatives, former commissioner in Sokoto State, and former state secretary of this great party. I'm reading his short CV so that we know that he is eminently qualified for this great position he's occupying. We congratulate you for this position, and we also attest to your competence. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, we are here today to present to you and submit the form of one single Nigerian with multiple competences. We are here to present the form of one Nigerian who is indoctrinated with the act of civil administration and the rudiment of politics. We are here to present the form of the only unifier of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are here today to present the form of the Ronaldo and Messi of PDP. Atiku Abubakar was the first to pick his form and is the first presidential aspirant to return his form. By the grace of God, as I hand over the microphone to I Chief Raymond Dokwesi to present this completed winning form to the NOS, I want to state unequivocally that many of us, when we call on God, God doesn't give us missed calls. When we call him, he picks our call. And he called me, he said, Dino. And I said, yes, my Lord. He called the second time again, Dino. I said, yes, my Lord. He called the third time, and I said, the Lord speak for the servant here. And he said, Atiku will be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.